very basic beginner finger style that you need to learn so that you can advance your way up to the playing like this. Well, the video today, we're going to be going from C to A minor. So if you don't know those chords and you can't switch between them, you're going to have to learn that first. A C is your ring finger on the 3rd fret, middle finger on the 2nd fret, first finger on the 1st fret. An A minor is your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your first finger on the 1st fret of the B string. So now that you have the C and the A minor, and you can switch between both of them, we're going to talk about the first example, what fingers you're going to need to pluck the strings with. So you're going to use your thumb on the A string, that's the 2nd string down, and I have the C shape. And then you're going to use your index finger and your middle finger on both the G and the B together. So when you put them together, it sounds like this. So at first, and I encourage everybody to practice with a metronome if you can, to get your timing down. So at first you can just count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you need to go slower, slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna play and switch to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can obviously tell why you need a metronome. So now we'll go to the next level. That was a very beginner level. Here's level number 2. You're gonna play, first you'll pluck the A string with your thumb, then you'll pluck, you use your middle finger to pluck the B string. So it'll be, and then you'll come back down and hit So it goes so thumb, middle finger, thumb again, and then now you come back with the ring finger to hit the G string. So thumb, and you can slow it down to as slow as you need so that you can get the muscle memory, and then continue from there trying to build up how fast you can play it. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after a while of playing like that, so we'll slow it back down again. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's example number 3 in the third level of very beginner, absolute beginner finger plucking. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we'll slow it down. All we're doing the same exact, except you'll come in thumb, middle finger. This time when you come in with a thumb, you just do a hammer on with your middle finger. And then you keep practicing that, and you'll be able to start faster. It's actually easier to play it faster than it is to play it slower once you get the muscle memory down. So I'll actually give you one more bonus. Once you get to this level, you can actually start adding in other fingers. You can add in all kinds of different things and start putting your flavor to it. So another thing you can do is once you get to this point, you can start adding in some of your flavor, and you can start adding in some of your own techniques that you found and start experimenting with different things. But the most important thing to do is to start out slow. You can come back to this video and keep practicing. You keep practicing on this every day, and you'll see within a few weeks you'll be going from this